Styccobond F73 PLUS is a fibre-reinforced, heavy-duty, one-part moisture-curing floor adhesive. It is suitable for securing a wide range of floor coverings, such as vinyl, LVT, rubber, carpet, and artificial grass. It is water-resistant, so it's suitable for outside use or areas subject to moisture, such as entrance matting. Depending on the backing, select the correct size V-notch trowel. For fine and smooth-backed floor coverings, use an A2 trowel. Or, for deeply profiled or rough-backed floor coverings, apply extra adhesive with a 2mm by 6mm or 3mm by 6mm V-notch trowel. Let's look at the installation of some suitable floor coverings. Styccobond F73 PLUS can be applied to stopgap smoothing compounds and sound smooth subfloors of concrete, sand, cement, screeds and plywood. Holding the trowel at 60 degrees, apply the adhesive evenly over the prepared subfloor, ensuring that the area can be covered within the open time stated. Follow the floor covering manufacturer's laying instructions and place the floor covering onto the adhesive. Finally, to guarantee the optimum adhesive performance, always ensure good contact between the adhesive and floor covering by rolling with a 68 kg flooring roller.